Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back again with another interesting YouTube tutorial in which we will see how to add end screen to your YouTube videos. So I have already made a lot of videos for YouTube beginners, so if you want to check those videos then you can click here, or you may also visit my YouTube channel. Now without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, we will go to YouTube Studio, and after that just select the video where you want to place your end screen. Okay, so I will go to content, and let's suppose that I will select this one. So I will click on this details. You can also do this on your mobile screen, so I will make a separate video for that. Here just scroll down and go to end screen. Okay, so click here, and after that you can see we have got different options. Okay, this is for two videos, this is for one video, and one subscribe button. Okay, so you can select any option you want. So I will select this one. I will just set its position, and you can also drag from here so that you must select the time duration. So if you click on this first end screen, then here you can see this is automatically set as best for viewers. So what happens actually in this case is that YouTube will set a video automatically which will be best for your viewers. Okay, so if you want to change this video, then you have to click on this choose specific video, and from here you can select any video. For example, I will select this one. Okay, and same is the case for second end screen. You can select from these three options. Okay, so I will again click on this choose a specific video. Okay, and I will click on another video, and once you are done with it, you have to click on this save. So this is as simple as that. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.